Get my slippers out of the pool.
They're in a corral.
No, you need to get them out. Thank you, thank you. Choke mahalos. You look like you're oofing the noodle. Saya,
Yeah.
you look like you're oofing the noodle.
What? What?
You look like you're oofing the noodle.
No, this is my horse.
Which means you're oofing it.
This is my horse.
Say hi, Uncle.
Sorry, just farted.
Say it again.
I farted.
Ew. Dirty water.
Why do you keep farting?
I don't know. I get gassy.
You need a pipe or something. Fix it.
No, because he's riding the noodle. Ay.
Wait, look how much bubbles that made. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3.
Ay. It's really hot.
Ah,
Yeah.
in there.
Splashing.
In there.
I'm coming.
Show you my magic.
What magic?
Hurry up.
What magic?
Slip over your slipper.
I'm gonna make the water start boiling.
Oh no, I know how to do that.
Just watch it.
He's gonna fart.
Yeah. No, just come here.
I'm coming.
Don't move around. So let the water. Oh my God.
Okay.
Come here. Watch. Go steady on the right.
Yeah. I can do that without it. What? It just goes. What are you doing? No! I need that! Ah.
I'm gonna get the noodle. You either give me that or I get the noodle.
Yeah! My shield and my sword!
Your shield has a hole on it.
No.
Oh my God.
Give it back.
Give me the noodle.
It's mine! It's mine! It's mine!
Ow! You're gonna drown me.
Mine!
God, this is hard work.
Yeah, that's your yes. Take me to White Coffee. You wanna ride?
Hey.
Come on, give it back.
I got it. I'm sorry. There you go. You know what? Uncle, where's Auntie?
Cooking.
The shrimp?
Yeah. Fish.
Auntie? Are we getting fish and pot? Stop. I'm gonna run again.
What?
Gonna run and jump again. You wanna jump with me, Saya?
Okay.
Uncle, you wanna jump with us?
What?
You wanna jump with us?
Oh no, I'm running out of air. No.
Swim, 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 float. I taught you that.
Wait, videotape this.
I am. It's been recording the whole
No,
time.
just aim it at me.
But you need to get up.
Aim it at me. I'm not running out of air. No.
You're such a faker. Are you gonna jump with me? Saya? Hello?
I made it. No.
Get out. Get out and jump with me.
Fine. Are you gonna videotape the jump?
You jump there. I jump there.
No, we jump in the same place.
Okay, well, I'm
You
not
jump
jumping
right
right
in
there.
front of the camera.
No. I'm jumping right there.
You're jumping there.
Okay, ready?
No.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Ready?
Set.
Set.
Go.
You're not supposed to jump in my spot.
Let's see.
Don't touch it. It's so pretty.
Oh, come on. Okay, one more jump.
Jump again.
Now in slow-mo.
Hold on.
Oh!
I said hold on! Uncle, jump with us. I want to jump off the gazebo.
Huh?
I want to jump off the gazebo.
Can I go?
No.
Oh,
How come? Oh, you cannot swim.
never mind. Not even with the floating.
Don't slip. Come on.
I want Auntie with me.
Oh God.
I'll give you some motivation.